Hi guys, my name is Dutton and I've just recently been endorsed by Collision and I'd like to thank them for this opportunity. I've been playing for drums for about 11 years now. Started when I was in high school and I've been in and out of sort of like cover bands and indie bands. But I've recently started playing drums for the hardcore band Ordeal, which is based in Birmingham. You can find us anywhere on like Instagram and Facebook, you know. I've recently got these 7AR sticks from Collision, which are really great. A few things why I like them is that they're really light. So, you know, if you're playing fast, you can go around the kit pretty easy. They're not too heavy. I also think that they're really durable as well. So if you're a hard hitter and you tend to go for a lot of sticks, you know, these are probably the ones for you. You know, they're really durable, really great. I feel like the Collision brand has a lot of other great drumming products, you know, drum keys and, you know, bags and brushes and stuff like that, which is all really great. Here's a song from my band, Ordeal. The song's called Stolen. This is a live video. So I hope you enjoy, and once again, thank you, Collision, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
This is a new one, huh?
Yeah.